Hey, so today we're going to unbox an package from Jonathan Lataya. This package was traded a few days ago. Hindi ko na maalala kung kailan. So let's do the unboxing. Sabi niya meron daw itong free loop. Ayun. Nalakasan ko talaga boses ko kasi wala tayong microphone. So meron tayong GAN. Ito hindi ko alam kung anong cube to. YJ ata. We have some 2x2s. And the Monster Gold magnetic 3x3. Medyo ano na yung okay na din. Kami na gagawin natin video. Actually, meron na ako na to guys, kaso hindi na maganda yung ikot niya. So, it's good that I have this again. Ayan. Right now, I am listening to 21 Pilots song called Contra. And right now, I'm still finding the loop because I can't see. I hope nandito siya. Ayun. Siya kasama dito. Tamis na amoy yan. So ito na nga pala yung GAN RS flashing logo. Okay na din. Non-magnetic po siya. And maganda siya. I think ito na yung pwede kong gamitin sa comp kasi my hands are getting hurt because of the magnetic field of it, the bumpiness, and I think my hands need to be free while turning it. It's kind of good right now. Just turns something wrong. I think merong nag-crack ata sa loob. Let's try this 2x2 gun. May onting scratches, which is better. Okay na. Can do for me naman ito. Okay, at yun lang. Bye guys. Kailangan nyo may load.